What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I've got a product spotlight on the latest release from KOIO sneakers, the Metro model. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Jay Jones, salute. Now, my product spotlight videos are when I partner with the brand to share with you an offering from that company that I'm psyched to tell you all about. And when I say partner with, yes, that does mean the video is sponsored. And today's video, I'm super excited about because I get to partner with a brand that's one of the best premium sneaker makers on the market, bar none, KOIO. Now, not only did KOIO sponsor today's video, if you use the code KOIO Style O.G at checkout, you'll get a free cleaning kit with your purchase to keep those kicks clean and crispy. If you've been following this channel for the last year and a half, you've seen me rocking their sneakers over and over, especially this one, perhaps this one, this bad boy, and of course, the one that started it all, this one. Now, all of those sneakers are the KOIO Capri model, a fantastic premium minimal shoe. But on today's video, I've got the latest release from KOIO, the Metro. Now, the Metro, while retaining all the high quality details that you expect from KOIO, is a bit different. It's a court shoe, a bit more athletic. And as you can see, it's a beautiful shoe, great detailing. In today's video, I have two models to show you, the taupe and the white. Both of these models share the same details I'm going to talk to you about. Let's start with the color I really love, this taupe. It's a beautiful khaki color, and it has all the premium details you expect from KOIO. Starting with, of course, Italian premium full grain leather upper. And besides the premium Italian leather upper, it has a lot of details that I think makes this a great shoe for the summer. Starting with the mesh elements that are very breathable. Instead of a leather lining, you have a French terry lining. This is going to be much more breathable for the summer months. Adding to the comfort, cool, and breathability of the shoe is the foam tongue. And just like all the KOIO models, you have the wax laces. High quality, they'll develop patina over time. Love wax laces on a sneaker. Now, one of the things I definitely noticed about the Metro that I actually like even more than the Capris, now don't get me wrong, the Capris are comfortable. But when we talk about comfort, the Metro takes it another notch higher. I think it might have something to do with the construction. These have what's called strobel or strobel construction, used quite often in the athletic shoe, making these super comfortable when I'm walking around in them. And on top of that, you have the industry standard sole, the Margam sole, flexible, comfortable, and durable. Not only is this a beautiful sneaker, it's extra comfortable. Just walking around with it in the studio, and I snuck and wore it today earlier when I went out. It's a shoe I can easily wear all day. Really love the clean lines, the extra detailing, a little bit of hits of KOIO branding on the heel, and another hit of the KOIO branding right here at the bottom of the tongue. I really think KOIO hit it out of the park with this model. I love court shoes anyway, and you're never gonna see me complaining being able to get one that's high quality, top of the line, and super comfortable. Now, when it comes to sizing, these do fit true to size. If you're in between sizes like me, I'm an 11.5, go up a half a size. So I grabbed a 12. Now, although the taupe one is my favorite, I will be rocking the white a lot as well. White is a great minimal sneaker to wear, but I love the extra detailing of the court styling to break up my typical minimal white sneaker look. And as you can see, not only is this shoe comfortable, it's very stylish. As you can see, I paired it with these two different looks. Altogether, I have to say KOIO hit a home run with the Metro. Great styling, super comfortable, and of course the premium materials and construction that KOIO is known for. I highly recommend you grab yourself a pair of the KOIO Metro. I'll be rocking them throughout the summer. Okay, so there you have it. Product spotlight on the new KOIO sneaker release, the Metro. Make sure when you hit those links in the description to grab a pair of KOIOs, use code KOIO Style O.G for that free cleaning kit. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, Tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern, and I'll check you out the next time.